Hello and welcome to Google Sheet tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn about basic functions. If you are new in our channel and want to learn about Google Sheet, please subscribe our channel. Now let us see add function. Add function returns the sum of two numbers, which is equivalent to plus operator. To add, write equal, then add, then select first cell you want to add, then the other cell, press enter. To do the same operation for other cells also, drag the cell to others. So this is how to add. Now let us see minus function. Minus function returns the difference of two numbers, which is equivalent to minus operator. To do minus, write equal, minus, then select the first cell and the second cell you want to minus from the first cell, press enter. To do the same operation for others, drag it. So this is how to get minus. Now let us say multiply. Multiply returns product of two numbers, which is equivalent to multiply operator. To get multiplication, write equal and multiply, then select first cell, then the other cell, then press enter. So again, to do the same operation for others, drag the cell to others. Now let us look at divide function. Divide function returns the number divided by another. To divide two numbers, write equal, then divide, then select the first cell and the divisor cell, then press enter. In this case this is 1, both numbers are equal. To do same operation, drag it to other cells. This is how we can divide two numbers. Now let us see count function. Count function returns the number of numeric values in a dataset. To count, write equal, then count, then select the cells you want to count, press enter. To do the same operation for February also, select the cell, specific cell you can select, cells. Now let us look at count a function. Count a function returns number of values in a dataset. It can also handle string values. So first get count of January. Count A, then select all rows of January. Here all values are numeric, so the count is 6. Now here we will count also the string values. Count A, select random values including string. Now count is 4. Now let us see sum function. Sum function returns sum of a series of numbers or cells. To do sum, write equal, then IntelliSense is showing to sum cell F4 and G4. We want to sum these two cells. We select it, enter. Now to do the same operator is drag it to other cells. Now we can also get sum of January. Right, equal, then it is showing F4 to F9. We want that. Select it, then press enter. To do for February and total, drag it to other columns also. So this is how to get sum of values. Now let us see if sumif function. Sumif function returns sum of a range of cells with a condition. To get sum with if function, write equal, then write sumif, then select the cell you want to compare. The cells should be separated by colon. Then we need to include a condition. We write greater than 300. Enter. Then drag it to other cells. Now we get some condition only. Now if we want to get sum for January, we write sumif, then select the cells, then add the condition. Here we add greater than 300. Now press enter. To get same operation for February and on the total, drag to other cells. This is how we get sum with if function. Now let us look at min function. Min function returns minimum numeric value. Now write min, select the cell. From these two we want to get minimum number. So here 900 is minimum. We drag to other cells. So on each cell we are getting minimum number. Now for January, write the main function as suggested. Select it for other cells. So now for February 0 and total it is 0. Now let us look at max function. Max function returns maximum numeric value from a data set. To get maximum number, write equals, then write max, then select the cell and press enter. We can do it to column. For January we get 900. You can drag to other cells. So this is how we can get maximum values. Now let us look at large function. Large function returns nth largest element from a dataset, where you can define the value of n. If we want to get first largest from January, write large, then select the cells you want to compare, then write the value of n, in this case 1, then press enter. Now if we want to get first largest value for February, now Google is suggesting we can select this. We get largest value for January and February. So now we again want to get second largest value. In the same way, write large, then select the cells. Now we want to get second largest, so write 2. Now the second largest is given, so for February we also get. Now let us look at average function. Average function returns the numeric average value from a data set. It ignores text value. To get average, write equal. Google is suggesting, so we select it, then press enter. Now to do same operation, we drag the cell to others. Now we get average value for each row. So now for January, we'll get the average. Select the function. Now we drag it to other cells. So now we got average value for other cells also. That's all for now. In the next video we'll look at more advanced functions. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.